Have you ever felt that your life is part of a grand illusion, as if you're a pawn in a game designed to keep you subdued? You're not alone in this feeling. Many have pondered if our existence is akin to living in a matrix, a sophisticated system of control crafted by a powerful few to dominate the majority. To comprehend leaving the matrix, we must first understand its nature. It's a mechanism of dominance, operating for centuries, shaping our world and perpetuating elite rule. Think of the Roman Empire, providing entertainment and sustenance to keep citizens passive. Today's society isn't much different, with modern distractions and manipulations serving similar ends. The matrix feeds on our compliance, our energy, and especially our fear. It's a cycle of control where our own emotions reinforce the very system that binds us. But the power to break free has always been within us. The question is, do we choose the familiarity of the matrix or the unknown freedom of a new reality? This system thrives on fear, a tool used to manipulate and maintain control. Our societal structures, from politics to economics, are deeply rooted in fear, reinforcing the matrix's hold over us. Those who dared to speak of freedom and sovereignty in the past were often silenced to prevent the spread of these liberating ideas. The matrix has disconnected us from our natural world, leading to an oppressive, rigid social structure. Yet, as we awaken, we begin to see through these illusions. We recognize our power to create a different reality, one that is not dictated by fear and control. Humanity now stands at a crossroads. The divide between the dark agenda of control and the light of freedom is becoming increasingly clear. We are at the dawn of a great awakening, a shift prophesied by spiritual leaders and texts. This is a time when the earth itself is transitioning to a higher realm of consciousness, and we have the chance to be part of this monumental shift. As we stop feeding the matrix with our attention and compliance, we weaken its grip on us. Recognizing the signs of awakening is crucial. It begins with a shift in how we perceive and react to fear, seeing it not as an inevitable part of life but as a construct of the matrix to keep us in line. Awakening also manifests as a growing dissonance in environments that prioritize profit over well-being. Our increasing awareness makes us sensitive to these misalignments, leading to physical and emotional discomfort in such settings. This journey also involves a transformation in our approach to health and wellness, recognizing our bodies as sacred vessels and rejecting harmful habits promoted by the matrix. As we detach from mainstream media and its fear-based narratives, we reclaim our mental and emotional well-being. Connecting with nature becomes a profound aspect of our awakening as we start to view the earth not as a resource, but as a living entity with which we are deeply connected. This bond inspires significant lifestyle changes, moving us towards sustainable living and reducing our reliance on the matrix. The final sign of awakening is a shift in perspective, allowing us to observe the world without being drawn into the divisive narratives of those in power. This detachment empowers us to be beacons of light and unity, transcending the illusions of the matrix. In conclusion, you are not alone in this journey. The Great Awakening is unfolding, and you are an essential part of it. You have the choice: remain in the matrix or step into a new reality of freedom and truth. The path to awakening is before you, inviting you to reclaim your sovereignty and guide humanity towards a brighter future.